What's up? Good morning and thank you for your attention. I'm Ignatic from Mrs. Physica's class.
And I'm Jacob, also from Miss Fazika's class.
Today is Friday, May 1st, 2020. It is May, can you believe it? It is Mother Tuesday. What is your favorite nursery rhyme?
Today's birthdays are Kayla Sircone and Logan Goodpaster. Birthdays this weekend are Vincent Goldaracina and Pranish Billa. Happy birthday! Kenneth Pace has a really fun activity for you today. Play hard, play fair, play safe, play outside.
Hi guys, my name is Kenneth Pace and today I'm going to show you guys how to make hard to pop bubbles. What you're going to need is a bowl to mix it in, 3 cups of water, 1 cup of dish soap, 1 cup of corn syrup, and a measuring cup that says 1 cup on it. And you're going to need something like pipe cleaners, string, or straws. For now I'm going to use straws. What you're going to do is you're going to take 3 cups of water, 1, 2, 3. You're gonna take 1 cup of dish soap, you're gonna mix it up. And now I'm gonna make my way of how I'm gonna make my straw thingies, my rollers. I'm gonna use 3 straws. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna make it into like a little V shape, and I'm gonna put it into the next straw. Same thing with the same straw, I'm gonna make it into a V shape. Oops, seems like this side came out. And boom. Tries to get it perfectly, but it works.
Thanks, Kenneth. The recipe for those homemade bubbles in the video description below. This week's cluster contest is over. Sadly, there were only 10 entries, unfortunately. And with 5 of those entries from one class, the winner is Miss Milano's class. Congratulations! Miss Owens and Lena are here with great video reminding you how to practice habit 5 even when it is hard.
Hi Panthers, I'm Miss Owens.
And I'm Lena.
And we are going to talk about habit 5, which is seek first to understand, then to be understood.
After 6 weeks of staying at home with the same people, we are all probably tired of our families and everyone in our household, so that may make it hard to talk to them.
Lena and I are going to demonstrate how a conversation might sound when you're tired of being around somebody or frustrated with them or annoyed with them.
Using the game Speak Out. So you have to put these little things in your mouth. You'll see. Hope you enjoy it. I don't want to do work anymore. I want to watch TV.
Work. You have to do your work.
I
You
don't
can't.
want to do my work anymore.
You cannot ask to hear it now.
Yes.
You have to do your work.
Ugh. Well, that didn't work out very well. I could barely understand a word that she said.
When we listen to a person but are already frustrated with them, it's hard to hear what they have to actually say.
Let's try the scene again, but try habit 5 this time.
I'm going to listen, but I'm going to practice habit 5 this time using my whole body listening with my ears, but also my eyes and my heart. Let's give it another try.
Mom, I don't want to do my work anymore.
You don't want to do your work right now?
Really boring.
Your work is boring right now, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think if you took a little break and then came back to it, it might be a little better?
Can we watch a movie?
Well, how about a little TV break? And then you can get back to work, and then tonight we could watch a movie together. TV break.
Okay.
So you can see that when you use your whole body listening, your eyes, your ears, and your heart, a conversation turns out so much better. So when you're feeling frustrated or annoyed or angry with all of these people that you're with all the time, remember habit 5.
And that's why you can use habit 5 at school and at home. Have fun staying at home.
Thanks, ladies. Keep working hard to communicate with your family during this challenging time. Don't forget that you can pick up a free breakfast and lunch each day from Acres Green. Here's Miss Gina with today's lunch choices. Today's breakfast is mini wheats and Chex. Lunch choices for today are Nutri-Grain bar with hard-boiled egg, Uncrustable, and hummus and tortilla rounds with hard-boiled egg. All meals come with a fruit, vegetable, and milk. Remember, anyone 18 or under can get a free meal at Acres Green between 11:30 and 12:30 each day.
Before we go, Miss Smith has a quick announcement for us.
Good morning, Panthers. Happy Friday. What do you think about my new hair? Do you like the green and is that pink or purple? That's not really my hair. I'm using Snap Camera. I can't get to the beauty salon to get my hair done. So there you go. I'm having some green and purplish pink hair today. I hope you like it. Hey, next week is Staff Appreciation Week. So it's a time to let your teachers know how much you appreciate them. Miss Owens, our assistant principal, has created a special cluster link where you can upload photos of yourself. You could do a picture, you could do a drawing, you could put a note. See what I did here? You can do something like that and upload it to clusters so your teachers know how much you appreciate them. Because remember when we used to be in the building? You can thank them for something that they did then, or maybe it's something now during all this remote learning. And that's anybody in our staff. Just send a shout out. Let them know how much you appreciate them taking care of you. So be sure and do that. It's a special cluster link just for a Teacher Appreciation Week. And my card, my thank you, it goes out to all of you home teachers, in the home teachers. That would be moms and dads and aunties and grandmas and uncles and maybe an older brother or sister that's helping you through this remote learning time. This is my thank you to you. We so appreciate your part in helping us make school happen while we're apart. So thank you for your part, especially for math. I know you hate math. You've told me. So I know you don't like math, so thank you for helping your kiddos with their math learning. Everybody have a wonderful Friday. Have a wonderful weekend. And remember, send your shout outs on the cluster link, letting our teachers know how much you appreciate them. Bye.
Love the hair, Miss Smith. Get your pictures sent to the new Teacher Appreciation Cluster. The link is on the video description too. Make sure you choose the right one and go to appreciate your teachers.
Please join us in saying the school mission statement. At Acres Green, we are creating leaders one child at a time.
We will all conclude by saying the pledge. Please stand. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you and have a great day.
Come here, Tiger Lily. Let's say hi to all AGE people. Hi. Hi, hi. School wants to say hi.
Hi.
And when you're staying in, this is gonna go on the
In the what?
and the
What's it gonna go in? Say that word.
her.
The what?
Her.
I don't know that word.
Her.
School, do you know what she's saying?
Her.
Uber?
Her.
Ooher.
Her.
Ooger.
Her.
Booger?
Her.
Ooh. Her.
Glue.
Don't drool on me. I think she's trying to say
Her.
gooper.
Her.
Looper.
Her.
Glue her.
Glue her.
Glue her? Who are you gluing? Blooper. Oh, the blooper reel.
Idia.